Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a fundamental skill for YouTubers of all levels, clear communication on video. No matter how amazing your content is, if viewer can understand you, they will click away. So let's turn you into a communication pro and keep your audience hooked. First, you need to clearly communicate with your audience directly. Do not use indirect words in your video. You can communicate with your viewers directly. You can directly ask them any question or you can solve their problem directly. Don't go with indirect option. Use direct option. Use direct word for your video. And avoid jargon and overlay complex sentence in your video. Always try to use simple word in your video. So may your viewers are not a great listener. They want to find something in your video. That's why they are see your video. Try to use simple word in your video. You need a crystal clear audio. So you can little bit invest on microphone to get a crystal clear audio for your video. Don't mumbling in your video. If you're mumbling and you cannot speak word correctly, then people cannot understand what you actually say in your video. Speak clearly and enunciate your word. Avoid mumbling or talking too fast. You can use good light in your video so people can understand your face, or you can use natural light. They can see you and understand you what you actually talking about. Craft a clear and concise structure. Briefly introduce your topic. Elaborate with well-organized point and summarize your key takeaway. And that's why video script come up. So you can write your pinpoint about your video. In the past video we are talking about how you can write script. Avoid overloading viewers with information. Keep your explanation focused and easy to understand, and do not lose focus and do not jump another topic in your video. If you are focusing one point, then stay with one point. Do not jump into another point. That is not relevant for your video. Don't go with this one. By mastering clear communication, we'll transform your video from confusion to captivating. We'll connect with your audience on a deeper level. Keep them engaged and leave a lasting impression. How do you ensure clear communication in your video? Share your tips and challenges in the comment below. And to dive deeper into the specific aspect of the video creation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content creation magic. Thanks for watching this video.